When a company like AbbVie commits $1.4 billion to Durham for manufacturing, it tells you something about where the market's going. Hey, I'm Andrew Comeau, and today I'm coming to you from a clean room. If we're gonna dive into where RTP's market is heading, we can't just talk about lab space. With big pharma manufacturing investments and international companies looking to establish a US presence here, it begs the question, why RTP? If you look at the entire East Coast, many things attract you to RTP. Major international airport, abundant talent pool, higher quality of life, lower cost of living, and of course, the real estate. Even local companies are changing the way they think about real estate. It's no longer just, where can we put our lab? It's, can this facility support where we're going next? That means thinking early about power, clear heights, utilities, and room to scale. Having a partner that can solve for your current need, as well as plan for the company's future, makes a huge difference for your growth.